Hello YouTube, this is HD Video Tuts here, and today we're learning something different. We're learning HTML, web design basically. We're going to learn the basics of HTML and then move on to a little bit more advanced stuff on the upcoming tutorials. Now, if you already know the basics of HTML, well then get out of this video. This video is not for you. But if you're just trying to learn HTML, web design, understand the language a bit, and plan to move on to advanced stuff, this is for you. This is going to be a series. So let's begin. First of all, as you can see, I have Notepad++ open. This does not come with your computer, and you don't really need it. I just use it to keep me organized because I have lined numbers. And I think that's default, but if it's not, it should be up in, no, not that, it should be somewhere around here, but no, never mind, I don't really care. I think this is default, but if it's not, doesn't even matter. But yeah, so open up Notepad or Notepad++. If you don't have Notepad++, I'll give a link in the description and you can download it and set it up. So let's get started. Okay, so first things first, HTML files. Let's go to a website first. I think, hold on, I'm gonna pause it. Actually, yeah, it's a good idea. Okay, we're back, and as you can see, I was searching simple website because I was searching for a simple website for you guys to go to, but obviously that wasn't such a good idea because thousands of websites popped up and none of them were simple. This is my website, and in here I talk about, this is my blog kind of, in here I talk about technology and stuff, and let me just give you the basics of website. Everything you see right here is your body. This is all the body. I know this is the head, but trust me, that's not the head. That's just the title. Actually, that's not even the title. That's the header. This is your body. This is your head and title. Anything you want to show in the web page will go in your body. I just want to get that out of the way so that we can focus. Alright, so first things first, you gotta tell the web browser what language it's in. It's in HTML. So first, you type a tag, and everything, any tag, not certain tags won't. Any tag will, for now, this is a rule, will go inside these two things, greater than and smaller than sign. And every tag has an open tag and a close tag. And a close tag will just have a slash. Slash means, slash means close, and normal just means open. And here you can see that the benefit of using this Notepad++, we can keep track of our tags. So inside your HTML, everything inside this is your website. First, we're going to open up another tag called header. Actually, let's just call head. Sorry, I'm messing up today. And head. Then you're going to create another tag, body. Okay. Inside your head, we're going to create another tag, title. Okay, close the tag. Every tag has a closing tag. Okay. Now you can see the benefit of using this. You can collapse tags. So, see, you can get rid of the body. So, to keep it a little bit more organized, we're gonna kind of push everything to the side a bit. And since the title is inside head, we're gonna push that to that side. Helps us keep track of things again. So now by keeping it like this, we know that HTML is the main tag, and everything in this section, this line over here, is in HTML. Then everything is in here is in head. Okay, so we're gonna create. This is your first website. We're gonna call this. Just name it something like my first website. Anything in between title will show up right here. So just name it my first website. First website. Now I put it in here. You can put it anywhere. You can put it right here. It doesn't matter as long as it's in between these two tags. And in body, we're gonna go to my website and copy and paste some stuff just for the heck of it, right? Let's copy both of these paragraphs. Okay. Ooh, that went a little overboard. Don't really know how to fix that. Hold on. Let me see if word wrap is that an option. Okay. There we go. Alright, now we have our basic website done, right? So what we're gonna do is file, save as, and we're gonna save it in desktop, and we're gonna name it me.html. HTML means hypertext markup language, and everything you want to save it as HTML for now. Okay, we're gonna save it in desktop, save, and we're gonna open it up. Me. As you can see, my first website shows up here. But wait, this one has a paragraph break, but this one doesn't. Interesting. Well, here's why this one doesn't have a paragraph break in it. Even though you have a break in here, your browser reads it as plain text. It doesn't see this. It just doesn't read the fact that there's a break in here. You can put a BR tag to like put an enter, like in here. Maybe put a BR tag and save and refresh, and that will create a break in here. You can put another tag and it will probably create another one. Let me show you. Okay, save, create some more space. As you can see, BR tags will create space. But you just don't want to have just BR tags. Just as a rule for yourself, whenever you have two paragraphs, you want to separate them by putting paragraph tag at the beginning and at the end of paragraph. Just a rule for yourself. And you know, pretty much okay. So now you're giving your browser more information. You're telling this is one paragraph, this is another paragraph, there's a break in the middle. File, save again. To see the changes, you have to see. Okay, now as you can see, there's way too much space. Why could it be? Well, maybe we just need to get rid of these BR tags. That doesn't do it. Probably. Oh, sorry, we didn't save. Did we? Save. No, it's good. That's why we space right here. Okay. So what do you use BR tags for? Use BR tags whenever you need a break in the same paragraph. Let's say you want this and to start from here. Then you can use a BR tag. Don't use BR tags to just separate paragraphs. Just use BR tags to separate lines and that kind of things. Okay, now our website doesn't really have anything in here, so we want the title of this to be on there. So let's copy this. God damn it, let me copy. Why won't you let me copy? Oh my god. This is like really annoying. And put it inside a p tag. Oops. Okay. Now let me show you what happens. Now you have your heading, blah and blah. But wait, you want this to be a little bigger size, don't you? Well, yeah, now that's called our heading tags. Instead of using paragraph tags, I'm going to change this to H1 and H1. By the way, I'm like making these mistakes on purpose just so you guys can learn from these mistakes. You can learn from my mistakes. Alright, file, save, and boom, there's a huge thing that says H1, H1. I mean, huge title, not H1. And, well, yeah, that's great, but too big, right? Well, your H tags go up to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And yeah, so the bigger the number, the smaller the size. So H2 and H2. For your titles, like, honestly, you can use H3, but H2 for now. Okay, perfect, perfect. And yeah. So let's say now we want to have our website name on top. What's new and hot? Let's just copy that. We're going to have that on top. Okay, so for the title of the website, we're obviously going to make it the biggest, so H1, paste, H1, okay, file, save. And we want this in the center. And I'm going to show you how to do this in the center. And this isn't the correct way to do this, but for now, we're not. The correct way to make everything center would be to use CSS style sheet. But for now, we're not gonna get into that stuff because yeah, like I could just teach you some stuff and then it will be confusing for you later on, because I don't want to get you guys in bad habits. So for now, what we're gonna do is teach you the center tag. It's pretty simple. Everything in between the center tags will be in the center. So type in center and come on. Center. File save. This is center. Blah 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 blah. Alright, let's say this is a news website. I'm gonna give you this quick cool trick for the end. Let's say this is a news website and you wanna have some sort of rolling headline news, like breaking news. Let's say you wanna have right between here and here, you have a breaking news. Right between your this, you wanna have breaking news, right? So, and yeah, so let's create your breaking news. Your breaking news is this. This quote is your breaking news, and let's you wanna have like breaking news. Right? File, save, refresh. Yeah, it's breaking news, but doesn't really look good, right? Well, we can fix that with a simple cool trick. A lot of people don't know this about this tag, okay? It's called a marquee tag. Type in marquee, and then type in marquee with a closing. Okay, file, save. Here you go, your breaking news is scrolling. And now you love me. So that's your website. Alright, so now that I've done that, let's organize this. Oh my god, people are talking about it. Alright, now we're gonna organize everything. You have your HTML, everything's nice and neat here. Not really. Let's clean this up. Okay, heading. Your header right there. This is your breaking news. Let's move it up. And yeah, and we're ready for tutorial 2. And we're gonna learn how to change everything, change the background, change everything. Alright guys, see you in the next tutorial. Peace out.